Access to Lextree now requires two-factor authentication, or 2FA. You will perform a one-time setup, then use 2FA as part of the regular login flow. Two-factor authentication requires that you have access to your smartphone. For the initial setup, you will see that the Setup Two-Factor Authentication form after you log in with your email and password. There are 3 steps. Step 1. Install a two-factor authentication app. Authenticator apps are free. The 2 most common are Google's Authenticator and Microsoft's Authenticator, but most of them will work in this process. We recommend installing an Authenticator app before proceeding. This demo will use Microsoft's Authenticator. The process is nearly identical for all authentication apps. Step 2. Establish the connection between your phone and your login. The phone Authenticator app is open to the right in this video. To create a connection, select Add Account or Plus. This will give you a choice of scanning the QR code on the screen or entering the code below the QR code. See how the Authenticator app uses your phone's camera to take a picture of the QR code. When the Authenticator app gets the QR code, the connection is established. You will see a 6-digit code in the app with a 30-second timer. Step 3. Enter the Authentication app generated code. Your phone's Authenticator displays a 6-digit code. The setup form in Lextree has a field labeled Enter 6-digit code. Copy the 6-digit code from your phone into the Lextree field to complete the setup before the 30 seconds elapses. If you run out of time, don't worry. A fresh 6-digit code will appear and you can use that one. Congratulations, you are done with the initial setup. When you next log into Lextree, enter your email and password as usual. On the next page, Lextree will prompt you for the authentication code from your phone's Authenticator app. Copy the 6-digit code from your phone into the Lextree field. Again, if you run out of time, wait for the code on your phone to refresh. You have now logged in with two-factor authentication. Thank you.